All right, folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 733. 733. Final destination of that train is the next stop, Oakland Coliseum, Oakland A Stadium. Here it comes. 2004 leads off of this one. 2004. Ooh, there is a okay, 2004 leading off of this one. For 6464, Stinson Beach, a Surfliner car. Alongside with Port St. George, 6965. Alright, this train is now boarded, going to the last stop, which is the Oakland Coliseum. We'll be right back after these commercial break. Okay, folks, we are back. This is the 733 went out of service or got terminated at Oakland Jet London Square Station. That's a Point St. George leading off. And the IOAMP is coming down here shortly. With 2004 killing in the back. There it goes, folks, to the Oakland Amtrak yard. I'm Marshall Hall, thank you for watching. Coming up next is the IOAMP Union Pacific Intermodal train. Street running. Bye.